What a mess. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today is the open collaboration styling my way. Guys, you guys can see I have a mess here. I do a decoration on the table and I grab things that I'm going to use, then I'm not using, and then I put them here. So guys, it's time to clean this mess. So I'm going to style it my way. Guys, this is an open collaboration and this is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Tablescape by Candice, and the co-hosts are um, Styling with Jassy Green, Z9 Designs, Debbie Bubbles, myself, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and Design with Emma. So guys, I'm going to clean this. I want to put a runner, a white runner, to bring some whiteness out. And I'm going to use chinoiserie. You guys can see I have a lot of stuff in my cabinet. I'm not going to touch none of that. I'm not going to use none of that. But I am going to use chinoiserie here. And some things will stay here and some things are going to go. So let me take everything out and then we're going to continue. I got to sweep the floor. I have a big box here, but that's for a project that I have coming. So let me clear this out and we're going to continue, guys. I found the vantage runner that I want to use here. So that's the one that I'm going to use. This is going to be simple, you know, and the reason why I want to keep it chinoiserie is because I am not ready to change my whole tree. I have it for the summer with the lemon theme and, you know, greenery and stuff. So I'm just gonna leave it the way it is. So I want this to match. Even though my apartment is so small and different corners of my apartment are decorated with different decor, you know, you decorate your house your way. So this is my way, guys. My way. I do what makes me happy. In your home, you do what makes you happy, guys. Yeah, that's what we gotta do. We gotta do what makes us happy. So I'm going to be polishing. Guys, this china cabinet, it is so old. I have it for over 30 years. This is, I think I mentioned that before. Was one of the first gifts that my husband got for our first apartment when we got married. So, you know, I love it. I refinished it myself because it was so old that the paint was drying out and, you know. So I did a refinish on it myself. I sanded it down and I did it by hand. I didn't have a machine to sand it down. So I sanded it down and I restained it, and then I put the varnish, what is it called, a varnish, you know, a shine. It gives it the shine, it protects it. So I did that when I was living on the other house. So there it is. Everything gets so dusty, so you know we have to keep in top of things. So I'm going to go. I really don't know what I'm going to do, but I'm going to go with this sheer runner. It's a little bit long for this spot, but we're gonna make it work, guys. Do I have it the right way? Yes. So we're going to make it work. So I like vantage decor. I think I am an old soul, that's what it's called. A lot of people like the bling, but I like my old vantage decor. To me, the older the better, because if something is so old that they have last for so long, that means that the quality is good, you know, and people take care of it. So I want to do it like so, and I'm going to go, like I said, with chinoiserie. I don't know how am I gonna go. Oh, I thought I got my base right here. So I'm going to start with this vase. I really don't know if I will believe in it. And guys, just have in mind that everything that you are going to see in my display is thrifted. So yeah, guys, I'm using this beautiful chinoiserie, as you guys can see. You know, it's like there's a story being told there. So that's how, wait a minute. I'm trying to look for the, which part I'm going to go. Yep, this way. It's gonna go this way. I will put that right there in the center. I also have, I will be using my blue and white. I don't know, you guys want, I think it's a chicken, because I think the roosters are the big ones, but I think she is a chicken. I got her from the Goodwill, and she is, oh, she was made in the Philippines. So I have a Filipino chicken. So I will be using her. You guys can see. I also thrifted her a while back. So I don't know which way. I will place her there. And I will be using, these are candle holders. I have more than these, but I'm going to use these 4. They have yellow in it. So since I do have yellow on my fireplace, you know, my little mantle here, I have the bee theme. So I want to keep that color to be cohesive with all of them. And also on the whole tree, I also have my lemons, so they have yellow. So I will be using these candle holders, you guys can see, with the yellow flowers and stuff. And they are different. The style is different. So I will be using those. And I have the other 2 right here. This one looks like the other one, but this one is different. So I will place this here. All right, guys. I feel, I don't know. I said I was not gonna use one of my teapots, but I feel like I need to put a teapot there. But I don't know. So I want to put some. I really don't know what I'm going with it, guys. Maybe some greenery. I don't know. I think I want to put some greenery coming out of the vase. So let me go and shut my house and set up my little. I'm only going to use greenery. I don't think I'm going to use flowers. So let me do that. All right, guys, I got my greenery. Let's see how I'm going to arrange this. I really don't know where I'm going with it, guys. I really do not know. So it's just a matter of finding the way that I want it to look. And I'm not going to use much, even though I have plenty of this hanging greenery. You get this at the Dollar Tree. So let's see. You know, doesn't want to stay there. So let's put it all the way in there. So I don't know, guys. I'm not feeling it. I don't know. And then, oh Lord, let me figure this one out, guys. What makes it a little harder is the greenery gets stuck on the lace. So that's what makes it a little harder. Because every time I try to move it, it pulls the lace from this side. But I'm trying to put the greenery around the vase. So that's the way I want to keep it. Let's see. I'm not going to do too much in there, even though I want to, but it's hard to do. So sorry guys, I was turning my TV down. So I want to keep it green. So all right, let's try it again with the candle holders. Even though I'm not going to be using real candles, I'm going to be using battery operated candles, but I want it to look nice because it's something that I'm going to be looking at. Besides chinoiserie, I'm also going to use my 2 fairy candle holders, which I have here. You guys have seen these ones before. I will place these ones to the back. Ooh. I'm gonna turn on the lights right now. I think you guys can see them. Yeah, you guys can see. So I have a flickering little light in there. All right, let me place the other one. I hope you guys are doing okay. I want to thank you for accompanying me in decorating my little entryway and styling it my way. Also, I gotta look for the rest of my little battery operated candles so I can place them in there. You guys can see what it looks like. Let's not forget our hand. I want to place my hand back here because, you know, summertime hands. All right, I think I'm liking it, but I think it's still looking kind of plain. I don't know. I said I was not going to use a flower, but I think I am. Yeah, I think I am. Just a few little touch of color. All right, guys, let me grab some flowers. Let me add some flowers. Okay, guys, as you guys can see, don't mind the boxes right there. But you guys see back there, I have lemon, I have yellow, the summer theme. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add 3 lemons just to bring it all together, you know. So like that, everything looks together. So I'm just gonna add 3 lemons around, not in no particular way. And also I have a few little flowers that I want to add just for some color, summer colors, because everything is blooming right now. I even added a few sunflowers here. I just add the floral here, so like that it looks. I think I want to add the flowers in the vase. They're not enough flowers, so they keep going inside. So let me see. I have a few more here. You guys know I have little flowers all over the place. So these are little pieces of flower that they fall from the big arrangements. So I'm just going to put them all in this little chinoise vase. There you go. That's better. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave it like that. So yeah, I'm going to leave it like this. Yeah, I think those 2 lemons are plenty. Yeah, guys, I think I'm going to leave it like that. So guys, there you have it. Let me turn off the light so you guys can see it. I hope you guys like what I put together. I'm gonna bring you guys close. Give me 1 second. All right, guys, that's what it looks like with all the little lights on. And just simple. This is styling my way, and that's how I did it. I styled it my way. So like that is not so crowded. I like the simplicity of it, even though I am a maximalist, but sometimes less is more. So yeah, guys, I think I like it. So I want to thank everybody, the host and co-host with us, and thank you guys. And let me come over here and leave it like I always say. Be kind to one another. Don't forget to smile. Overall, stay safe, stay healthy. And remember, guys, God loves you. And Debbie also loves you too. It will be into the next one. Bye bye, guys.